Hey lovelies, it's Shayla from Hung Wanna Boss Collective, and today we are going to be talking about how to be your own resource. So we are on part 19, and today we're going to be talking about becoming a sharing fanatic. So learning how to strategize sharing and be able to grow your platform by sharing your content worldwide. So the top platforms and ways to share are: number 1, YouTube community page; number 2, YouTube stories; number 3, Instagram stories with link; number 4, Snapchat stories with link; number 5, Twitter with threads post; number 6, Pinterest posts; number 7, TikTok stories; number 8, TikTok videos; number 9, YouTube shorts; number 10, Facebook post page, like a post on Facebook page; 11, website blog post; number 12, posters; number 13, Patreon; number 14, word of mouth. And also any platform that you use that I didn't specify there. How do I get promoting with no subscribers? Well, optimize your profile, make sure that your banner is nice, and make sure your thumbnails are nice. Make sure that you do giveaways, you cross-promote content, post regularly, live streams, and optimize for SEO. And make sure that you have attention-grabbing thumbnails. And that you have playlists so that you can categorize them on your main page. Next, how long does it take to have people follow you? It can take months of consistent activity. And how many videos do most creators make before reaching 1,000 subscribers? It can take an average of 100 videos to get monetized, is basically what that's asking. So a lot of people can get 1,000 subscribers if they're really good at promoting and they're really good at just constantly being enthusiastic about their work and making sure that they telling everybody that they know. But yeah, thank you guys for. Okay, so basically my fridge just yelled at me, so I hope you guys have an amazing day. And although this video is short, like I said, you guys can get all of this on my Notion template or on my YouTube masterclass. And I look forward to seeing you in part 20. The last few videos you probably noticed we're in the same outfit with some different glasses. It's because this outfit is so comfy. It's from Yoins. I've promoted them before and they just have like the comfiest clothes ever. So next one will be a different outfit and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.